Hey, what's up guys? Tobin here from 5M Family Farm and Outdoors channel. Today we're going to the deer lease. Me and Reed have been packing the truck up, and Mom took Easton to his theater practice, and they should be back shortly. It's just a boys trip, so it'll be me, Reed, and Easton. It's bright out here. Let me put my shades on. So we don't have a real hard agenda for going, other than just having some fun. We're gonna try to shoot a pig. We've got pigs coming in pretty regular, so I'm hoping we'll get a chance to shoot one tonight. And then tomorrow, the deer lease burned. We have a video of that. Tomorrow we've got the new four-wheeler loaded up behind us there, and we're gonna take it. We got the dirt bike loaded up, and we're just gonna try to do some exploring and see some parts of the lease that have been pretty thick in the past. But now that they've burned, it'll be easier to get in there and just look around. And we also got some pictures of one buck this morning. It sent me a picture that had lost at least one antler on one side. I couldn't see the other side, so we were gonna look for some sheds too. So it's gonna be a fun weekend. We're gonna cook out tonight, and it's about a 24-hour trip, so it's gonna be pretty quick, but it'll be a fun weekend.
Hey guys, right now we are going to the Quick Track in Crum, and we are going to go get some gas, and I'm gonna get gum. So I can have some gum on the way, so see you there.
Hey, what's up guys? So we are at the deer lease. We just got here, drove straight in. We're about to get everything unpacked, get the four-wheeler out, and head over to the blind. The blind is in those trees way back there behind us. So we'll see y'all there. see him. Get one more. We don't see any. Alright. So Reed, tell us what happened.
So we were in the blind, just sitting there, and a horse came out. And I got a little disappointed about that because, well, the horse was walking through the grass and everything, making noises. And my hopes were down because of that. And a couple seconds later, we heard a big noise, and probably 15 pigs came in. And this is the one I decided to shoot.
Yep. He made a perfect shot. Perfect shot. Yeah, so say it again, read that last part.
This was my first pig.
First one. Yep. Alright, Ethan, what do you want to say?
So
Hey.
the thing is, I said, I did say this. I said, oh, the horse is making like pig noises. The pigs will come in. And he said behind the camera, no, that it's making too much noise. 5 minutes later after that, no, $1 million later, we found this thing.
Alright guys, we're going to run over and get the four-wheeler real quick, see if we can get back before it gets dark. Get back to camp. So me and Reed are driving on the four-wheeler here. Dad, Dad, Dad! And we turn around and we lost Easton in the trailer back there. Nobody, thankfully he wasn't hurt. So I know we gotta find a pin for that trailer.
I started yelling. Yeah.
Alright, take two. Got Easton back on the trailer. Glad that we weren't going real fast. Alright guys, so we got a fire rolling right there. It's a little, any windier and we wouldn't have a fire, and then we got our game hanger tripod set up right there, about to get the pig on there and get him cut up, and then be time to make some dinner. You can see Reed back here behind me. We got the pig up, and we are getting him skinned. Reed's shot 2 deer before. This is his first pig, so Easton's in the camper. We hear you, buddy. Reed's doing a really good job. We got, the pig is finished. It's done. Underneath this ice right here, I don't know if you can see down in there, but underneath that ice right there is some fine quality pork. Got the head in the bag right here, and we're gonna obviously do a European mount on that. So Reed's been cooking the food on the inside. We got macaroni and cheese over there and mashed potatoes.
We're editing on
Guys, if there's anything better than cooking steaks over an open fire, tell me what it is in the comments, because that right there is going to be good.
That's what you call goodness.
That's what you call goodness, what Easton said. Guys, it's bedtime here at the deer lease. Easton's over there, all Reed's over here. So just a little information. If you forget your pillow, this is what you have to sleep with at the deer lease. Luckily I had a piece of foam. Day 2 at the deer lease. I had all this video planned that I was going to shoot. Look at all the mud on my face. I'll tell you about that in a minute. I had all this video planned to shoot today. I was gonna get probably like a couple videos out of it and things we were gonna be doing at the deer lease. But Mother Nature had other plans. It is
Rain.
full on raining outside. That mud is from the four-wheeler driving it, and it's splashing all over my face.
And we're like, I'm soaked, I'm muddy. My shoes are disgusting. I had to use this towel to wipe myself off.
Yeah.
Off.
So they called for rain in the forecast earlier in the week, and then they took it out. There was like a 20% chance of rain. And we woke up at the camper this morning, it was raining there, or slight rain.
I went to the bathroom, and then I felt rain, and went back, and I'm like, because Dad was like, oh, I'm hoping there's no rain. And then, and then I went out, I'm like, hey, Dad, it's raining. It's like, wait, what? And he ran out there, and it was just little sprinkles.
We've done a few chores here that we needed to get done. We filled our feeders up, drove back in there on the four-wheeler. I also changed out the batteries on my camera, and then got back up here, and it's not sending me pictures for some reason. So I'm hoping it'll stop raining here in a minute. I can run back down there and check that. But I guess we just wanted to close this video out. It was still a good weekend. Reed shot his first pig, and Easton did really good in the blind with him. He did really good at being patient and quiet.
And my first time pulling a trailer on the ATV.
Yeah.
A couple times. So first, as I was telling yesterday, so the trailer went boop, and it came off.
Yes.
And it happened again today, but
It took me out.
Yep.
Yeah, Reed, the trailer came off the four-wheeler. He was behind the dirt bike and he hit it. So, all right, let's close this video out, Easton.
I was driving, and I wasn't driving, and then I literally almost.
Easton, let's close this video out, buddy. Hey, thank y'all very much for watching. Thanks for all the support. Y'all, if you haven't already, please go down and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notifications when we upload videos.
Go follow us on Instagram.
Yep,
Go
Instagram.
follow them on TikTok.
And Facebook.
I'm on TikTok, but don't follow me because I don't have anything on there. And Facebook too, yep. Thank y'all for watching. Until next time, we'll see y'all again.